Hey everyone, I'm Fahad Sheikh from AdWave Digital Marketing Solutions. Today, we're going to talk about social media marketing, what it is and why it's important for your business. What is social media marketing? Social media marketing means using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to promote your business. It's about sharing posts, videos, and other content that connects with your customers, helps them learn about your products, and encourages them to buy from you. Why is social media marketing important? Reach more people. Social media helps you reach billions of people all over the world, making it easier to grow your business beyond just your local area. Save money. Social media marketing can be done on a small budget. You can run ads that target the exact people who are most likely to be interested in your business, getting more value for your money. Build trust. By regularly sharing content and interacting with your followers, you can make your brand more familiar and trustworthy. People are more likely to choose a business they know and trust. Talk directly to customers. Social media allows you to talk directly with your customers, answer their questions, and solve their problems quickly, which helps build a stronger connection. Learn what works. Social media gives you information about what your customers like and don't like. You can use this to improve your marketing and get better results. Conclusion: social media marketing is a must for any business that wants to grow. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, reach out to us at AdWave Digital Marketing Solutions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.